Obahi bebre ano poku are no mawa no asante kotoko no no so ne ebedi akwa aboabo ho etio ne to na sakra aboanko a ye de etiri beto ho asem ne frititio efrititio odman
bia adesema ma mu nyina kwaba edemo ba ejura sekyere dumasukuro ejura mu na afiwe sekyere ne emfimpimienu ene aduonum yensemu afrase mu yedi tu manimu sei Barima was a shady. Ashe, a police at Naye, or Martin Cassian, was shall say, was see. Now a few way, while share a Ejurahene bosse. Obesi, no piano, Edia Ama, a year Ghana, a poesy for. Na, and son say, Penny's son saw who offered their what the children. Na, as soon as Rampa condition, it took us so be any my dear Fay and the Fay. Now what Shabon saw with this wound, and then added a Fay, Yahu. Ewo ejura ene Barima was say shedie wonne ne hema ejura empanyimfo ene ne wo nyina de odobe bodom ye hwe nim say eye Ghana mampanya be de ekire beba sanso so ena interior minister so beba transport minister ena afenso so IGP empanyimfo ye hwe omani mu no won edoso eno nti se wo ejura mo wani nje se otwede mponyankopon ache wo hene popora wote se Barima wo se hwede na Alandu Media de wo se yesum nananom yesum kotoko hene ene yesum Ghana nso enti ade bi ye fa nananom hu bia no ye de baba besom mo midin e de maame fozia kan ye ho ene de betofom bia no ye de ebebro Sadia yedi kan edeto manimu se enne Barima was a Hwedie otoso emienu atonsa de free enintine ene atwotwo wura omu free eye wiase afana nyina ena afen so Ghana mpanyufo ede omanimu nyambeta adwumedie no echi special guest of honor ena sesei wasi free ye ne hyemu kama aposifo anasa asrafo emmerima ma edeje na baba amano akwakotena se Alhaji Dr. Mahamudu Indimi ofri eye Nigeria na sadie ye kano otwede mponyankopon ahyira no woye odefo enna ne baprakope ene Barima Ejurahene nanna akwia tiwa a wotoso emienu Ejurahene Barima abrewatia one ne mampanyimfo ena wo mu aduru dwomu a na hima etutu tata ya o kwakwakwaji negwa na hima yema wakwaba esa ma wo afihia panso esan se enne eye anije da na ya hosepedent no enne no eye sika ene fufu nko a Barima wo se hwedie Ejurahene ena afi waduru dwomu a otutu tata ya achia medi animu a omojeje na baba amano akwakotena se Barima won kwaso Minister of Interior Honorable Ambrose Derry ono ena sesei wadru edwemu a ono so e kan ye special guest of honors ne ho womo ena eye atorenchama esi ewo ejura ewo mfimpimienu ne eduonu bakomu a enam so kofa woye ne ba ye kan ho bie mampanyufo ye aban o mampanyi ete ye ba so nku a so omunye ho hwehwemu no ensem a eye baasom ku no ede baaye no ene ho ade fefefe ena yehu empanyumfo yi na beduru a omodo odo abebo odomu eye ejura sekeduma se MP ene ehu se ochia no sesei de ochia Barima eye transport minister ena ochia bemma fefefe no opani a wono ne besi IGP anemu eno no so ababetwa Barima purse e kire se edetumi amade etumi ewono empanyumfo a womo efiri enkran anaso mo firi aban mu baye no womo doso no mo so aba aye amano aye fe ebresemu no yede empanyumfo ni nyina din ebetudwa sade beya se kine bi ukohia won a won hu se asemesenie anase obenten enie Barima egusu ejenchia efiri eye empanyumfo a wo mu firi enkran baye won ewia na eye ensori a won ewo eye edwura asase so ena afentu so eye serkinzongo ene ne empanyumfo so ababa bachia Medie na dasebre Osei bonsu a woye mampo asante mampo mahene a ne ba panyini anase ne piesi a wodono ene Barima Ejurahene nanso so bibi nti wantimi amma nanso so ne hokani aba wodo dabebo domu enu nti se uhu se Barima esori to ne mu a na se ne maame prekope ene wato ne mu eye ya papa ya de nyinara Alhaji Dr. Mahmudu eye indimi ena edru a wochia ne ba Barima edibuo ni eni de ma na wasori agina ne naso ene no achia fefefefefefefe no we nyina e kire se penyesi yemfa ni de ma de ni de se no ne yemfa tumi emma de tumi ese no eno ntu wo soro a na ohudu wo chen wa na de ni de ma no ebi na bema adanadi ewa ha me yehu asofo a womo ewa adwira ankonwa sase so on womo no wonyina saso fefefe eye sunsunsarefo gidifo Roman Catholicfo sanso na basre ene wono o makanyi nara wonyina ediso fefefa on echia won wi a na sarkinzongo enso so ne empanyumfo nso so ababa bechie bi won echia no se say de Ejura e kama ye say Ejura ya dane security zone esanse prisons wo ho na afei fire service wo ho na police wo mo wo ho na se say de wo mo aba be wo ho ne kasiem migration aba na nsenya fire service nso so e wo ho enna se say nso yenya nti yes ye dey fire yenya tete se eye military base nso so e ba eye Ejura na kam ye say Ejura de ye ka security dia security services ni nyina bi e bebe Ejura sanso so na eye ambulance service enurada Barima e pa wo mo atena ye e hontoma e de hye won ensa no enchia no na won egusuo no afi we Sekyerne no ekwan soronko we so na Barima wo se Hwedie edi no ebra wo hye na manfo bose obesi eye police atena ye kese e de ama won no waye no former chairman at the National Peace Council ena Prophet Dura wachia ne bafefefe no won nyina eye Ejura adehye na esanse Barima mpanyin se de ofurudua pa na epia no nti no eno na eho akwakọ hinya na akoba se esese won nyina de bebodu mu Sarkin Zongo ena wakwakọchia eye ne bafefefe no na no fiada wo modi kan ebe bompa ye ete eye aposifo atena ye foforo no ho ansana ene dwumadi yi so e ba so Sesei enchia no etwa ebre asose ye bie kwan mu na dwumedi a enne ede ya bahai on fiti ase se dwumedi bi ebe fiti ase wa amamre ne amane kwan so agese na nanom chiame ekogunsa eyi apaye esre kwa husan yedie ene prompromye ansa na dwumedi no efiti ase
anabo achensa Timen sansa o apampani sa apamkuma sa Osei Hwedie ka won sani na sa fon sani o na monye adua ya ka mu fonfu a madaruma ya boni bi na no pawie ye hia mo ha mo madaruma wa de nyina Barima Osei Hwedie a otoso mienu obefuru menwen o hye adwama bo so pasumdwe ne bambo banya bambo agi so sia police for train ye madaruma akeka ne sase ne manfo ne Ghana man Otimia paja dane sibo ene be bia no na ensa okromoti o mopo ade e be musuo san kwa hia mopo egu amaye ewura tumfo ne kwaso mpeni fo kwaso ewura da se bran kwaso mpeni fo kwaso na Ejurahene kwaso mpeni fo kwaso na de dwumade nyina hye musa ba woni aka ne nko so de ho be wura
ensa guo no echi no ebre asose Barima Osei Hwedie echire de entipotentia ene yenyina ya babehiem wo hanom a oto nsafre enintinini atwotworo esanse penyense esanse wo faade a wo de kire na de otwede mponyankopon abo ne din ne nananom abo on din afre won ombedi ade a eya na eyesronko kwanso kra timomienko tie be ma na no disem ye wi a de aka ne de beto am so
Ogasa Ejurahene, Minister of Interior, Dr. Ambrose Derry. Ministers are Mokano Tito Minister over the transport so away Minister Chief of Staff Honorable Carlos Bombrasi Emmanuel Adumwa Bosman Mipenyi Deputy Chief of Staff Mipenya Minority Office Yamama Kwaba Police Sekyerne Deputy Inspector General of Police COP Christian Tete Yowonu Ubetram Ama Yura Police Sekyerne Yamawa Kwaba Ashanti North Regional Commander Opani Yamawa Kwaba Members of Ashanti Regional Security Council Yamamunyina Akwaba Ewa Ejurahene Commanders of Security Services Empayifo Munyina Muso Yamamu Akwaba Ewa Ejurahene Me papa me bibia me ndofo Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Indimi Chairman and founder of a rental group of companies. You are warmly welcome, Daddy. Nana Sachadumase Hene Sianamu Nana Ejina Sohine Ensianamu District, any municipal chief executives are Prem Wayentem Mososo Yabama Ejurahene MC Wujina Muma Ashanti Regional Minister also Yamawa My Lord Bishop, Most Reverend Professor Safo Yinka, Awoye Ejurahene Emeritus Professor, Wunia Most Reverend Professor Kwaku Asante, Munyina Moye Ejurahene, Akonyan Nananemo, also Yamawa Otitreni ene nkrofo Mohwe yen sorry a yakabo nyina Council of Churches so ewa Ejurahene sabre modro a Yamama Kwaba yen papa Sarichin Zongo a oda Ejurahene Zongo ahemfo nyina no woni wa ahemfo Yamama Akwaba mpaibofo Chief Imam a woso oda Ejurahene nkramofo esom asofo nyina no Yamawa Kwaba Sane yade Akwaba kesema Member of Parliament also owo Ejurahene Yamawa Akwaba kese pa koma mia kasa minu aba madie gina Honorable Adelaide Oya Member of Parliament wo insuta kwa aman na wo sate akonwa kese so ohima ewo insuta inkro no ba koso minu aba Yamawa Akwaba kese ma ye maame obata kese a wotete me na ne nofo eda manum ahwe me so atete me abompai papa amame na sabre biti yayi ya maame ye wura dasebre ne yire ne ho kafo wona ti wono maame Yamawa Akwaba kesipa fefefe dedede edima ye papa GOC ajima prempe police soldier Sekyerne kesia wo hwe efiri Kumasi ewurawura ma kosi esrem ono so ordinary monyam abeta dwumade wo yachi papa Yamawa On behalf of my mother, the Queen Mother of Ejurahene, Nana Akuyatiwa, my elders and the people of Ejurahene, I convey to you our profound gratitude to you for accepting our invitations to this commissioning ceremony. Honorables, Nananom, ladies and gentlemen, time and space will not permit me to welcome you individually to Ejurahene. Therefore, with a heart of gratitude I say to you all, Akwaba to Ejurahene. However, there are some eminent personalities in our midst. I cannot fail to extend a special welcome to them. The first personality is Honorable Minister of Interior, my uncle, my everything, Mr. Lawyer Derry, the Honorable. We in Ejurahene are very grateful for prompt and efficient manner you handled issues relating to Ejurahene disturbances Ejurahene are very grateful for prompt and efficient manner you handle issues relating to the disturbances that occurred in Ejurahene in June 2021. Your ministry professionally handled all related matters in such a way that the crisis did not escalate. The beautiful structure you standing before your eyes will not have become reality without your support. Honorable Minister, Osei Akwaba. There is a special guest of honor in our midst who has been so generous to Ejurahene that I cannot help but extend special welcome to him. The man I'm talking about flew from Nigeria to Ghana yesterday and traveled by road to Ejurahene purposely to attend the commissioning of this special police headquarters. He is in the person of Dr. Mahamudu Intimi, a noble Nigerian businessman, my father and my mentor. Alhaji, you are warmly welcome. Nananom, ladies and gentlemen, Ejurahene has been in the recent years witnessed a number of security challenges, from Fulani issues, highway robbery, kidnapping, political vigilance, illicit drug deals. Meanwhile, the police capacity in Ejurahene has been woefully inadequate on a number of occasions when the security has been seriously threatened. The authorities had to seek reinforcement from Mampong and Insuta. On some occasions, military are brought in from Kumasi to restore peace in Ejurahene. This series of violence, confrontations, and criminal activities eventually culminated in the crisis that engulfed Ejurahene in June 2021. In the first months of the violence that occurred here in June 21, the President, His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, issued a directive to Honorable Minister of Interior to investigate the circumstances that led the shooting and death of some persons in Ejurahene. The Honorable Minister of Interior constituted a committee under the chairmanship of George Kingsley Kumsen to probe into these disturbances. The committee of investigations made 10 recommendations to government. The 10 recommendations was call for expansion of Ejurahene police station and an increase in personnel. While the government made strenuous efforts to provide solace to individuals and families of the dead, I took bold decision to lead my elders to mobilize resources to help provide requisite infrastructure that will facilitate increase of presence in town. So during the 2021, the Sekyerne Festival, our publicly pledged that no matter how long it was going to take, we will construct headquarters building for police division in Ejurahene. I'll change my tongue here. As someone make a and Sadama Thomas so maybe a child packet here. Every me papa that's every Osei to. Wadona Casabre is so better a pretty na offer said Jumadie also wawa. History na make a chairman. Obedru Mampong. What was it na nebufu ya no sedabi? Me de mani chilebra. Or Nancy ye kukudroso. Kim. Obedru adira. Oba na nipa mi no pebi net ya ana wo woso no ho. O kotre batire nebufu ya wo to twade o fa de so wo nyina konka kuro no. Na kuro mo afose nana ya hu se omu yedu wo ye kukudrufo. Ya penye sa kuro no ya de ama. Fa kuro no ne fomu ajapade na. O ma nyina o ma pa me kala semo yi. E betina adira kuro yi ana o chichi kuro no. And one day, Bappy, our Donopa friend is a bra. Maybe a grand grace of way in our shows. Brandy Munini, Chrono, Assistia Brandy Chrono, no Chrono, and Valentine, my papa. Nebama or didn't see Chrono, what if Barima was already there. What Barima? Me papa, what to say the woman so was shrami. No de kawa share me sa se mi shira ko se bi di kuro no ni mo japade na sha mo sa woni wo bia empre ho e wo kwa bia so sa se da kuro mo ina no e da wabam e de ho sa kwa sha mo sa woni wo bia di Mampo, some time in chain, never come on a Mampo, traditional area. It's Usha, very much every day. My Hinena meeting, the positions and a heavy son. May your mind a Bapi, Ejurahene, our Hwedie, Crusoe. What's I don't think, oh, Mampo, silver students. That's a break, not a sabre, or tea, or better than a banche. Na wo hwe de ba eye na do pe ya bi sakra mu enti yewura ya ma me bai wo de ka wa kese ba ko ama se on fa me hye me sa na me ntina se hwe se djumade ne mu ma me wo ba ka che papa se ya nya so bibi biara wa ye aboye bia en so ma na me ka nyina ne se ebre bi atwam to kwa kakra esi ha mentemi ho ase bi bepie kuro yi mu ha ema police fo kakra ne wo mo ha no omo bo mo ni bia o be betimi entimi antentam enti yewra regional minister ema asrafo frikumase ba se o meboa na djuma sa ne ma yokoso no ye jai asrafo ne ye no na chese enkwala bia wo mo wo no ka bibia o mo nte ase enam so ma esan ekobai Emma soja etuo ekasai Emma nipa bi etoye Emma ebiso prepare na Ghana mampani eyi minister say ya pro na nipa ewu na ebi prepare na abakofoi Yewra interior minister do mo bai oba wani me boss amene ne ya adwuma Ghana mampani abede akire Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia one ne bai oba one national security minister honorable Kandapa no ka ho ye papa chief imam no no so national chief imam no no so ka ho no mo be Ejura no be that sasema ye kan na di hire na badwafo no ba best start ye enti de tenten nyina ne se abadwafo no adwuma a wo be ye nyina akire no recommendations a wo de ma aban no baako a na ewo mu a eto me ne me mpanyimfo akoma so eni se Ejura ye police no emusa so hwe mu Ghana ha manframfo wo ba mu fufuru wo mu nkrom no Ejura ha nipa na do so che kro bia so wo Ghana enti wan kasa betimi de wani atofo no ahwe se de nkwala ne bia so wodin men sorry wase me sorry soja pai soja kuta AK47 wase de moye ne munyai ya wase ye nyai wo mo di eja di police ka chi kwahye no munyai wase ye nyai soja kuta AK47 woso wa pafati abofre edidi soja chi soja sisan wase mensan wana kwa kugwa msam gurisimu ene tuo no tue nya dipa na tuyo tuo no na tuye etina ya abansi police no wo maso ye ne musa nipa wa hanan susa enti sadia mo ma yentu franka ni ni kan abra ye twa aban ye ni ta aban beba be so yesisi ena ye start ye me pay for etisru yi Deputy Chief of Staff wa breme ho wadi ka siya na me gina ho sinana ada ye kwa Ejura na na msi yamwa wasidi machi wono ni dada de me kan minu akwa kwasa ma kwa kupeja uti ye ono so wa breme ho ne ministry odi bia na msi ho na na ada ye kwa Ejura na na msi ye yamwa wa Ejura wase na di machi ye ni nyina na ye de aba meni me pay for ye de ho abo afore ma Ejura man ti bibi biara obi di dum ye bia no ye di bon ye ho modi se ye di beba abeboa ye kuro no ama ye kuro na fa ntima bebefre ye nua member of parliament ye di tunani wono so ye ne so memade ye so odi boy bia odi beboa ye emba ifo bebira ni wi a mebo mu di ni ada wo mase o mu nyina ba mu ebeboa ye na ya papa police sahina sabre wo wona ho mujiem etu anamoko no COP upon bonu tamana owo office yeko no kokase yewura report na aba no yesi police for one o musa enti waye na ye hwese ye betimi abiebie mu ama yenya edom kakra na ye police atena ye no kra no ye pegam e manda na o mampo no o so debi Ejura semba wonie wada na jo a ne ya frɛ no ahomache ne ya frɛ no obre ne yesu papa yi ye be no na age na ho me kakra enti yesu ye kopre yeti ahwe se benya division bia tie ne mpanyifo ko kasa bebre enti e ba se bible se osoro boade oboa no se yetimi boa ye ho dia mpanyifo so bebam aba boa ye yetumu na mo bebre ena wo yi data na ne krache ba ko a wone ne wo headquarters wo se nyame adom wono so wakonani akwai regional commander wo ve Ashanti South so Mr. Winfield o wa ha no ka chense o yesi ope design efe pa ti hwehweda na ha ne pe design efe nti design wo ya esi ho no police bia ni bi e wo Ghana ha wo mu draw ye but obia ntimi si bi enti Ghana e ka Ejura na no me mpanyifo me mame wo nyina ta machi hwemeden se ekwa bia so no eda no ese yetimi si e ma na baso na ye fefe se asembe ba ne be koma mpo akofa police fo ni suta kofa police fo abeka kakra ye wa ha no de ene ye nyina yemwa na ye ntimi mie mo preko na se ye biem na se division ba division no about with the various heads ye benya dogs wom ye benya divisional crime officer wom ye benya divisional DD what transport for no MTTD suwom sessions bebre ebeba enti na yedi ni aden ene yawo den say yebesi dan yeso ekon eni nkuye nana ma yeda ma so wo hwe ka ye timkura na yebe yo wo ade na ye yes ka no yanche na fa kosis ankoto cars ansisi dan kasa anam but yes say yɛde yɛn ho abɔ afɔre ama yɛ kuro adwodwo ɛdan yɛ dan a ne boɔ ɛden yie abere nsɛm no yɛde ne boɔ no ɛbɛto dwa ama mo ho nananom ɛnyɛ wei nkoa ne ayɛ o yɛhu sɛ baabi a wakoma wɔ no ɛhɔ na wɔagya padeɛ wɔ nti yɛhu sɛ fire service fɔ wɔn asetrɛ mu nyɛ nti wɔn nso yɛsi dan ma wɔn a wɔn ɛtim epereperee ye doctor panya wo hwe yen hospital so ma yen wono so ye sidan amana sabre wone ne musiamfo asutim ye bohoza ewo ye nkurase a ye sabi akuafo no wo munya ensuo no no ene so ye di ho djuma bohoza be ya diosia 60 bohoza enso nananom fato ye wo se ye bewura akuradiya mu na yakwaye ensuo ama ye mane ye nananom anya nsuo anom na omanya ahoden e de aye kuadwuma no enti sabe nananom ye de ho abofore ama adwuraman na de eda ya na se ye besom ye man ye de ho nyina abofore enti eda ni ye be no ena me aka Barima vice president on my 1,000 bags of cement, CM fan started. You know, and over board and so my my vice president. Nipa who do bebre, MIA. I tell you bebre. Now, me papa, what you are, Dr. Indimi. Me papa on Nigeria or Nigeria, but not Nigeria, Oti mia bebre me papa no no wa fa me se ne ba ti ono so me de tunanim se me wura emo a yesu ye hiani o se me ba ena wa ba yi ka ho na mienu a wo de aba Ejurahene ti wa hye ye bo se Ejurahene de woni ye betena Ejurahene ti me papa wo ti wo yi wo hwe manim din o se mansan I will support you and your community. I'm say yes daddy. I will support you with an amount of $50,000. $50,000. Ah, what's the sound? Yesika no a chumbe 600,000 Ghana cedis. And I papa what the boy. Now a day of Unisano, a Hokano, and then I pay $202,000. What the buy cedis Numa is about 2.8 million Ghana cedis. A down in the sewer. A dying, 18 offices, big conference room, fully finished, air conditioning, what there be a moon. Yourself, Bayami and San, a womb. Office be an open your table. Papa, and upon your papa so at your divisional commander, the office, your secretariat, your district commander, the office. The secretary and two Roma sessions in Yanano will be a Benya Babiatana as a full divisional headquarters. Mimpany for a Mufrin Krambaye, young Papa Dr. Indimi, members of parliament, Minia Kwaku Esiama, Minister of Transport, my boss, I'm a reporter director, direct, Deputy Chief of Staff, Operations. Nipadomo amaba awowa yetu ensafre mo minianom na de ye debra ne se mia kasa me ho kafo wo se Barima so no mpanyfo ye sade we ya me so me pese me register me ni wo ono so ceiling fans a eboko so nyina 23 pieces of ceiling fans me ho kafo ene to ni nyina ede bebo aye eti obi awa bia wusu trust na bompa ya obi maye yede ho abo afore ama weda jama mo akwa ba bebre yeda mase wɔn so behind scenes no behind the scenes no wɔn yɛ adwuma yie ama ɛnam so ama criminalism ɛne robbery kidnapping ne ade ne nyinaa ɛtoɔ atwa ɛkɔ fam obi biara wayɛ biribi aboa yɛ no yɛka sɛ yɛdamase bebree akonnwa yi adehyeɛ professors mmienu professor emeritus Safo Yinka professor Kwaku Antwi moso yɛdamase no adɔyɛ ahodoɔ a ɛne mmoa a moboa sɛ mo kuro adwira so bɛfa ne ntoma pafafra nananom yɛma mo nyinaa akɔ aba ɛwɔ adwira nyame hyɛ no
Barima ɛkyerɛ mu di ntia yɛabɛhyia mu ɛwɔ ha no wieyɛ no Honorable Emmanuel Aduamoa Bosman a no yɛ Deputy Chief of Staff and afei nso ɛyɛ Special Guest of Honor Alhaji Dr. Mahmudu Indimi ɛne aban mu mpanyimfoɔ ɛna afei nso ɛyɛ post sadom mpanyimfoɔ a ɔmodi ɔmani munyam bɛtɛ adwumadie n'akyi nso so de wɔn ano de sɛm ɛto aso
My senior colleague and senior at the bar, the Honorable Ambrose Derry, Member of Parliament for Nandom and Minister for the Interior, Honorable Kweku Fori Siama, Minister for Transport, Nananom hearing gathered, the clergy, former chairman of the National Peace Council, service chiefs, District Chief Executive of Ejurahene, and all dignitaries herein gathered, ladies and gentlemen, I stand on existing protocols to share a few words on this auspicious occasion. The presidency has been very keen to support individual efforts aimed at improving the lot of the various communities scattered around the country. This is arguably, potentially, the breadbasket of this country. And for that matter, anything relating to security pertaining to Ejurahene is at the heart of the entire security architecture of this country. That is why when Barima Osei Hwedie II brought a request for assistance to put up this edifice, we did not hesitate to contribute our quota to make his dream a reality. I will not go on and on because I believe that the designated minister will share a bit more of insight into why we are here and related matters. I would just want to say that this is a model of what can happen when an individual has a dream and pushes it through. It is my hope and expectation that all of us gathered here would also rise up to the occasion when similar requests come for the improvement of the Ejurahene community. I thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Deputy Chief.
Ladies and gentlemen, all protocol duly observed. I'm here all the way from Nigeria to support your program because security is very, very important, especially me coming from Nigeria, coming from Maiduguri where the Boko Haram headquarters is. So this is one of my programs to support security anywhere. I'm here and I've seen the building, and congratulations for the Ejurahene people, and looking forward to work with you on another program or even security program. You have my contact, you know my contact, and I have to go back to Nigeria immediately after this for another security program. and I wish you all the best. And I wish you to maintain this place properly, intact. Looking forward for another project so that I can come to commission. Thank you and God bless you.
Please let us do it better. A round to give us this remark. Thank you very much.
I'm here to stand in for the Inspector General of Police, who is busy on under assignment. So his apology to Nana and all the people who have made this program to become successful. Our beloved Minister of Interior, Honorable Ambrose Derry, who is also the MP for Nadom. Nana Barima Osei Hwedie, the second, who is the Ejurahene. The Honorable Minister of Transport, the Deputy Chief of Staff, the MP for Ejurahene, the MCE, the Regional Police Commander for Ashanti North, DCOP Kwesi Ahin, and all. The Regional Commander for Ashanti Proper, that is COP Mr. Kwachi Yadom. And the Regional Commander for Ashanti South Region, DCOP Eric Winfo. And the former Regional Commander for the Ashanti North, DCOP Mr. Aka, who is also here with us. Invited guests, our friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a momentous occasion as we gather here to celebrate the commissioning of this beautiful edifice. This structure is not just a physical edifice, but a testament to what a fruitful collaboration between the public and the police can achieve. It symbolizes the progress we have made in this collaborative effort. I would like to begin by expressing our gratitude profoundly to the Nananom and the people of Ejura for supporting this worthy cause, which has yielded the completion of this edifice. To serve the security needs of Ejura and its surrounding areas. This new office building, which is more than just bricks and mortar, it is a space where police innovative strategies will flourish and where collaboration with citizens will find inspiration. It represents a significant investment by Nananom in the future of policing in this area and a commitment in playing a role in the provision of security here. Nana Chairperson, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in April 2022, the police administration initiated the process of creating 7 additional police regions to ensure effective and efficient policing throughout the country. These new police regions were to be in Ashanti, Eastern, Western, Central, and Volta regions. The creation of these additional regions was as a result of the vast and densely populated nature of the communities, resulting in situations where some areas were left unpoliced. Criminal elements are therefore able to engage in criminal activities to the discomfort of the public. In addition, the existing police commands were unable to effectively supervise those regions due to their vast nature. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, effective policing on contemporary crime prevention strategies remains a collective responsibility of the police and the public itself. The creation of these new regions came with the need for the provision of adequate infrastructure where police can effectively perform the core mandates. This is why the decision by Nananom to construct this beautiful edifice when the Ejurahene Barima Osei Hwedie II made a pledge in June 2021 could not have come at a better time. Nananom, the police can only be effective when it receives the needed support and cooperation from the public. Without credible and timely information from the public, the police will be rendered redundant and ineffective. It is important to say also that the police can only achieve the needed support and cooperation from the public when it consistently demonstrates professionalism, fairness, respect the civil liberties and human rights of the people, and they remain accountable and avoid corrupt practices at all times. This way, the public will have confidence and respect for the police and will willingly volunteer vital information to ease the work of the police. We will therefore urge our officers to always engage in activities which improve cooperation with the public and enhance the image of the service. The people of Ejura will also benefit from improved security, which will serve as a good foundation for socio-economic development and improved living standards. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the police administration will urge our officers who will be posted here to adopt a responsible maintenance culture to always ensure that this beautiful edifice remains in good condition. Consider the facilities as your personal property and maintain it to dignify the image of the police service. The police administration will always support your efforts with the requisite tools and equipment to deliver your mandate to the expectation of the people of Ejura and other towns within your jurisdiction. Always bear in mind that we will acknowledge and commend hard-working, dedicated and professional officers in line with our service regulations. In the same vein, we will discipline any officer who involves in any act which will bring the image of the service into disrepute. I urge you to work hard, consolidate peace and security in the area. Nananom, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, permit me to once again acknowledge this benevolent gesture to the Ghana Police Service. You indeed deserve our ovation, support, and prayers at all times. We say Ayeko for your outstanding support to the service. We are indebted in gratitude to the people of Ejura. We say thank you and God bless you exceedingly as we look forward to the exciting future that this edifice represents. I wish to express my utmost appreciation to you and all who in diverse ways ensure the successful completion of this beautiful divisional police headquarters. I wish Nananom a happy celebration of the 2023 Yam Festival and call on you to use the occasion to pray for the leadership of the Ghana Police Service and the service as a whole as we embark on our functions of providing law and order in the country. Thank you for your attention and may God bless us all. Thank you.
The Honorable Kweku Ofori, Minister of Transport of the Republic of Ghana, the Honorable Emmanuel Aduma Bosman, Deputy Chief of Staff of the Republic of Ghana, the Honorable Alhaji Muhammad Bawa Barima, MP for Ejura, Sekyerne, the Honorable Adelaide Intim, MP for Insuta, and today I've learned that she has a powerful traditional title as well. Members of the diplomatic corps present, the COP representing the RGP, Christian Teteyonu, Director General Administration, and the police team who are here. Brigadier General Ajiman Prempe, GOC Central Command. And I want to, at this juncture, refer to all members of RESEC present, the Municipal Chief Executive for Ejura, Sechidumas, Honorable Dr. Kingsley Osei, service chiefs of the various security agencies, including DOP, Samuel Uso and Ponsa, presence, my immigration, fire service, and all present. Our special guest, our brother from Nigeria, whose actions here epitomize the need for us in West Africa to collaborate to make sure we have a safe sub-region. Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Indini, representative of Dasebre Osei Bonsu II, Mampo Mahini, and occupant of the Asante Mine Silver Stool, Nana Ejurahene, Barima Osei Hwedie II, Nana Ejurahene, Nana Akwesi Awuba, representative of Nana Sechiduma Sehini, Searching Zongo, senior civil service directors who are present here, our revered clergy, those who pray for the peace and the blessings that we all enjoy, Nananom invited guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, I convey to you the warm greetings and respects of His Excellency, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. He has asked me to extend to you, Nananom, and the people of Ejura, his congratulations on this momentous occasion of commissioning a divisional police headquarters. He has also taken note of the fact that the commissioning ceremony is taking place during your 2023 Sekyerne Yam Festival. He has therefore asked me to wish you a happy celebration as well. His Excellency is very grateful to you all for your support and loyal to him and the new Patriotic Party government led by His Excellency the President, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ladies and gentlemen, even though he's not here, let me extend my respects to his representative, to Dasebre Osei Bonsu II, the Asante Mampo Mahini, an occupant of the Silver Stool, who is an overlord of Ejura and whose blessings the Ejurahene has told us he enjoys. I wish to acknowledge the presence of our special guest and brother who fleeing from Nigeria purposely to witness this commission. His brief remarks shows and emphasizes the need for effective collaboration among all of us in the sub-region to ensure a safe and peaceful sub-region. Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Indini is a friend of Ejura, Ghana, and Nana Ejurahene in particular. I'm happy to note that Alhaji also generously supported the construction of this beautiful edifice. Ladies and gentlemen, in June 2021, Ejura witnessed an unfortunate incident, the details of which I do not wish to recount because it brings back so much sadness and painful memories. I'm however glad to mention that the aftermath of the unrest the Ministry of Interior, under the direction of the President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, worked tirelessly with peace-loving individuals and institutions to restore peace in this beautiful and dear town. Government began implementing the recommendations of the Justice Commission's Committee and also took steps that will significantly address the security challenges that prevail in Ejura. For instance, recommended financial compensations due those who were injured, and families of those who died during the violence have been fully paid. In addition, a formed police unit, FPU, equipped with motorbikes have been established in the municipality to enhance police visibility. In that effort, the Member of Parliament for Ejura collaborated with the Ministry of Interior. Your Excellency, I wholeheartedly congratulate Barima Osei Hwedie II, Ejurahene, through whose initiative this headquarters was built. Nana Ejurahene, the Council of Elders, and the people of Ejura who solidly backed Nana Ejurahene to get this project completed within a relatively short time of 2 years also deserve commendation. I join the great people of Ejura to thank His Excellency, the Vice President of Ghana, other government functionaries, excellencies, private individuals and corporate institutions, and foreign friends of Ejura for their contributions. Ladies and gentlemen, we should be reminded that by establishing a divisional police office in the municipality alone will not turn Ejura and other towns into a peaceful paradise. The building alone will not do that. We have to work hard to achieve a safe and peaceful Ejura. The police, together with other security agencies, will be able to effectively combat crime in the communities if and only if we, the populace, contribute and support them to achieve peace. Security is a collective responsibility. I will urge the police officers, on the other hand, to be professional in the discharge of their duties. Just as the recent IGP has stated, do not intimidate people you interact with. Help make the slogan, "Please is your friend," meaningful. I have confidence the police will do that. The goal of His Excellency the President, to make each resident in Ghana feel safe, is on course. Unprecedented recruitment of police personnel and provision of equipment have made this progress possible. There is also the transformational agenda by His Excellency the President for all security agencies, including the Ghana Police Service. As the Minister for the Interior, it is important to note that the Ghana Police Service under Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, through the transformational agenda and its current leadership, has become more professional and fit for purpose as a police service in a multi-party democracy that we enjoy in Ghana. I would say that the police have made the right to demonstrate in Ghana a real right. The police respect it and protect it. In the first place, the police protect demonstrators to make sure that they demonstrate in peace and safety. and that nobody can threaten or interfere with their demonstration, even if they do not support the demonstration. Second, the police also ensure that the rest of the citizenry who are not part of the demonstration enjoy their rights to go about their normal duties. And I can say that the last time that there were injuries in a demonstration under the current leadership, there were 15 victims, all of whom were police personnel. 10 men and 5 women. I visited the victims at the police hospital. But I want to say that I congratulate the police that in spite of the fact that 15 of their men and women were felled and injured, they held their ground, did not abandon their professional responsibility, and continued to manage that demonstration with non-lethal force until the end of the demonstration. I congratulate the police for that. But
one we no and a Barima Osei Hwedie asuna rempo akwadehia na tikose obi animo ede asedason ede ma obi biara wo baaye wode na no de semi twato ede to yenimo
ya da base bebre yem papa interior minister honorable minister of transport Kwaku my boss honorable deputy chief of staff number 2 Ghana Police Service my papa my mentor Dr. Ndimi member of parliament Ejurahene Madie nyina medofo nana hema a Osei member of parliament Nsuta Kwaman this year adofo regional RISEC members Ejurahene MC a wujina Ghana man Ghana aban Ejurahene Yemame yendofo Mrs. Dasebre Osei Bonsu family minuanamo a mosomo free nkran better money achi asofo kukudamo a mo Ejurahene mo ka mo ho abom Council of Churches me nananom akonwa nananom professors mienu a nyame ahyemo nomonyam na baako presby Methodist moderator Professor Kwaku Asante ana ne nua baako so no ono so ye Archbishop no ono so hwe Anglican asafu asori a ewo up to West Africa nyina wo nyina ye Ejurahene hye nti utimi so Ejurahene de we are blessed na nyame so na dom so ama neba akopie ewo Dasebre yam na wawo na baade na beto Ejurahene di Ejurahene safua ahyenensa ya maame wokwa ya didie kwa so ya de yewura enkra mawo se ya da na ase bebre se owo ne ba no one train tri so anku no na wama ne ba na ba na wode enmonyam hye kese sei ahyenensa ne mo wo hye ne ba no se wanya adwumoden na wote ho hwe na nka ye papa no wa ha nka ye ne ono ayenim se wobeka dwumadi a ne ba no ene ne mpanyifo ene Ejurahene edi ewo Ejurahene ya de nyankopɔ de da mo nyina ase na me kasa no me refi ade ba ko ena me sade ba ya de ya de se de kɔto aban nan se de committee no ka se police aso eni so a ye ntre mu no ya sade kɔto aban nan se sojafo ya no ma nante ache wo mo ye nanfofo wo mo so ye pe wo masem nti ye pese ye kroma sojafo betra hane no mo nante abaji tu mu se obema military obema sojafo no aba betre Ejurahene no ne ya tra o mbe ye barracks amaye military barracks e betre Ejurahene no beka police for na other security agencies ahwe ama Ejurahene afa ne ntema papa fra na watimi wakame ni na eto atwa enche sojafo so o mbepie okrom ha enti modern bi asa yebo ni enije bi asa yeji no yemfa enye omotata na ye no omontra na omo ye ni papapafo Ejurahene emane merema obi biara oyi ne kapreba ede boa ene dwumadie yasem nyina nse Nyankopɔn hwe enije a wonyae a wode yesade na nyame emmoa no ntre na dwuma mu nyina de Barima gya ne mpayimfo mu nyina akacha mu se Nyankopɔn a wode mu fo ka de mu fo aeroplane kakra be pie dira no sa nyame na nimu animu kan nsamfa nko ba bi obi biara free ye ne se eduro nwumna ne yete se obi akodu ba bi ofri ba ya ye nyina bom de aseda amabrade ya da mase bebre me papa se waye ready se dachi obesa ba abe commission me de kakra me sa ko ne naso nemo enye bebre yeyi ne kakra enti papa ente obete menga don't worry ya da mase bebre obi bia wo wa ha so obebo ama na dwumade ye bia no ye de nyame da mase
se asuye ya na satena ye ya yeside ma posifo ese so beba mfaso amamu atime awie mu dia na emutimamufo nso so no esese wo mu so etu wo mu husi wo no mo so boa pa ne senti Alandu Media ye ne Ejura adehye no mu bi ebonkomo momienkuti
ene mani age esanse adefefra na na ye we kan niema bebre a oye na na ye transformational leader. The kind transformational leader obi asa odini di wanimu a odin sisane nkoso eba. And that's the type of leader ohenia Nyankopɔn nam adom ne ehumobro so odi ama Ejurahene no ohino tesa no bipia no ohino tesa no emwa biara yewo se ye ya adwene sika bibia yewo bia na se de ta na ki sanso ohene saa no na dikuro no ko du ba bia ebetimi adru na Ghana man hia ehemfo tese wo transformational leaders nya won a se bi oba nya obedie ne de wo mabusuafo benya ko na wo mo dwene ho ne mmom obi a oba o man no nkoso ne ni yiedie ene hia no saa ehemfo no bi ene yebe Esre Nyankopɔn se Nyankopɔn ma ne nsa kɛse no wɔ no so na hini no mu mpagya enkyɛn se ne tie mpo na ontimi nyɛ nneɛma akɛse ɛmfa ma Ejurahene Santeman Ghana man
na sakane no na we member of a chairman of Peace Council we did say election bia any registration exercise bia na adjust a check mas nema mo problem
yeah
se ya eye Barima ba ya nimfie enumuni nema hodo a wode aba se wo sa de pa ye military barracks e ba ha se wo sha na muntu a wutu na che se Ejura se ye ka stability se hanom ye tipinchi bia enya de se betwe ye ahwe Ejura se wo firi Ejura utum de se wo ka se firi Ejura ni mo mfantiti
na yini bi se senia interior minister kan no sa infrastructure ya de sisi hey eno anko antimi infrastructure emba ihia bibi abroni beka se collaboration Ejurahene memba ayo Ejura bibi a ofro ho so ye Ejurahene no etwa se utu asumdie anamon mpuntuo anamon enye se ya ye niema se na so ye bibi a ebese no etwa se ni kwa se ye amamofo ne mume wo se ye nkofo a ye beye oman ni yie ama oman no akona nimo afi elections san beba Ejurafo a ye tie me no ya me ntie ho ase se wo hini se ya opia se de beye a mpuntu obetimi aba yansu yentu anamon a ebema mpuntu aba na ye betie Ejurahene no ne ye nka no bone na ye kan sense san ekese aba Ejurahene asumdwe kro yeti amamuo ase ni se ye be ye
Ora nyansafo abra obedi sina ma gira tu pon enia ma akura ya abrani o ye de se kronkron akura wo ya akola ne wonana ene agira ne wa busafo ne nanam enti wo kyerɛkyerɛ ne ma bebe na asoma ka tua na som ne sɛ ya chi bia wo betu na ne mo ma gira nkoso na gira tu pon wo hye ɛda ba ka yesu ya onye sika akwatua woni okɔ na gire onya bia woni na ha onya woni na ka bia woni osimo na ka tua na gira tu pon asɛ ona na kwa busafo sama ya ni tinam gina wa amso Ejurahene yire na mo abraye ye mi fa na o sɛ hwede das
we adesmama anopa ne se de edi kan hye mobo se enne yaba Ejura Sekyere Dumase eye ne kuropon Ejuramu na ne Barima wo sɛ hwede apa eye police atena ye kese ano ana fe wode ni nyina de ahya posifo ensa ye de be somo e wa Alandu Media Alandu Media de se wo se yeso na na fe so yeso ma santeman ne Ghana ntino de be to fo na se de fa na no hu bia ho no eno ene de e be somo eno nti enne ye ba ye no Interior Minister Transport Minister and our friends so aya aban mu mpanyufo ahodo pi nananom eye enyinasu ehene anamusini bai mampon hene dasobre anamusini bai sanso so na mpanyufo a womo eka bi wo munya do mani munyam ebetai enne dwumade yi echi Alandu Media mami fozia yeso so ye befa ya yeso so de bebesom ye da wase sadane da wonyi wafide ni mfiri ha na wo hye Alandu Media kai so be subscribe no wa hye ama foforo so enye bi ahye me das